What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to check out my other videos, but let's get right into it. And we're working today on these King shocks that came with my truck. I just picked up this truck about 2 months ago, a month ago or something like that, and it came with Kings front and rear. And these are the Kings from the rear, and we're working on these today because before this looked like this, it looked like that. So I already did one for practice. I've never done this before, by the way. Any DIYer can do this. This is my first time ever polishing aluminum. So I just bought this buffer from Harbor Freight for 50 bucks. And then I bought these polishing pads for like 60 bucks. So that's pretty much all you need. And then you need some, like, maybe a little bit of steel wool. You're gonna need some water, and then you're gonna need a pressure washer. I mean, you don't have to have one, but just to clean up the shocks before we start polishing. So we're gonna scrub these up and get polishing them. And I'll just state before I start this that pretty much any DIYer can do this. I've never done this, like I said, and this is my first time, so it's a learning experience. That's kind of why I did this one first. But we're gonna get right into it, and let's get cleaning up this shock. And once this shock is cleaned, we're gonna start polishing it. So let's break out this pressure washer and get this thing cleaned up. All right, guys, so first things first, I'm gonna move this shock out of the way. This one's all done, obviously. This one looks great. That's the one I already did. So I'm gonna put this over here and out of harm's way, get that one out of the way. And first things first, we're gonna pull this clamp off. So I got my tool already out because I already did this, and we're gonna pull this off. Got that off, and now we can I just use, this is like leftover water. I was washing my truck, but I'm gonna put this away because this is my nice rag. Put that there, and I'm gonna get out this rag actually. Get this, scrubbing this down, get this all cleaned up. All right, so now we got that off, and now we are going to get this shock and the steel wool, get this a little bit wet, and we're just gonna scrub it. And the whole idea on this is just to get all this nasty outer black stuff off, because this, you can actually feel it. And after this, you scrub it, you won't be able to feel it anymore. So that's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna scrub this till it's all the way smooth, and it's not gonna look any better, but it will get smoother. So let's do that. So now I got this all scrubbed down with the steel wool, and it's looking great. It feels smooth, and it already looks better. It's not as black as it was, but still looks like complete trash. So now is the polishing step. So first things first is we're gonna tape it up. We're gonna tape up all this blue because we do not want to polish that. I don't know what will happen, but I'm pretty sure it'll take the finish off, and we don't want that. So we're gonna tape off the blue. And the last time I polished the shock, I polished it on the ground, and it really sucked. So what I'm gonna do this time is I'm going to, I drilled a hole right here, and I'm gonna put the shock on here and bolt it down pretty much, because I don't have a vise. If I had a vise, then I wouldn't have to do that. But since I don't have a vise, I'm going to put that bolt through it and bolt it down just so it's easier to polish, because it's really hard to do it with one hand or two hands. It'd be a lot easier if this was strapped down. So that's what I'm gonna do, get this bolted down, and then we'll start polishing. So we're all set up here. Check it out. I got the shock, like I said, screwed in here, and I got the shock here, and then I'm gonna flip it once I'm done with this side. So that's the setup I got going, and let's get polishing. So you're gonna start with the orange pad with the orange wax or whatever the hell this stuff is, the compound, and then once you're done hitting it with this, then you're gonna drop down to the yellow pad. Then when we're done with that, you're gonna put some polishing compound on here, and then you're gonna hit it. So it's pretty simple, and let's get right into it. All right, guys, so check it out. It's looking great, and I'm swapping the pad now. I'm gonna put on the yellow and do another pass, and then once it's done, we're gonna hit one last pass with this, and then we'll be all done. So let's swap the pads. Alright guys, so we're using this mag aluminum polish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my rag here and I'm going to kind of like work it in to the surface. Not really a whole lot, but just touch the whole surface, get it all covered up with this stuff, and then I'm going to hit it with that, because if you have too much on it, it's just going to sling stuff everywhere. So it's still going to sling stuff everywhere, but I mean, if you rub it in a little bit, it'll make it a little bit better. So throwing this on, and then we're going to hit it with the final step. So there we go. So let's hit this thing. Alright guys, so I have no idea what my face looks like right now. It's probably filthy, but I just want to show you guys the finished product. We're all finished. It's raining out here, we're working overtime, but here they are. Here's the one we just did, and here's the one I did earlier. They came out almost perfect. There's a little couple spots in here, and like here I could have got a little bit better, but overall, I'm not looking for perfection. I was just looking to get them better than they were. So they really came out amazing for how bad they were, because obviously you remember that they were like black. One guy actually asked me if they were plasti dip. That's how bad they were. But they came out amazing. So I hope you learned something. And I mean, I did this in probably about 2 hours. I did both of them, so they really came out amazing. And now I'm gonna throw them on the truck, and I guess I'll give you guys a couple little shots once they're in. So thanks for watching, and let's throw these in. Alright guys, so that's a wrap. The shocks are all installed and they look freaking absolutely amazing. They're all polished out. They look way better than before. Before they looked like absolute trash. So you can kind of see them in there all shiny. It's dark out so you can't really see them, but they look a lot better than they did, and that was kind of something I had to do, and I was going to pay someone to do it, but instead of paying them, I decided to do it myself. So I hope you guys liked the video, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Peace.